These are the iClarified instructions on how to force restart your iPhone 13. You may need to do this if your device is frozen and cannot be powered off normally. Let's begin. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. Quickly press and hold down the side button and keep holding it down until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone will now reboot, hopefully resolving the issue that required a forced restart. Please see the text version of this tutorial for more details, and remember to follow or subscribe to iClarified for more Apple news, videos, and tutorials.